G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. You would have seen this action figure in a number of my stop motion videos. It is a 6-inch Marvel series Uncanny X-Men Wolverine action figure. I really like this figure because it is very easy to work with. It is very posable. It has quite a few different points of articulations. It's got two interchangeable heads, one with a normal face and another one with an angry face. It has two different sets of hands as well. One with clenched fist with no claws, another one with clenched fist with claws. So the thing I really never liked about this figure are its claws. The claws are very flimsy. They bend pretty easily. They never remain straight. So I came up with an idea to give new sets of claws. How do I do it? I'll show you now. Did this thing just move? Right, the things you will be needing to make new claws for this action figure is, number one, is get a plastic card such as this one. It could be a credit card or anything with hard plastic. So that's number one. You will be needing a pair of scissors to cut it. Number two, and also you will be needing a silver color to give the color to the new claws. The acrylic and the water-based paints won't do the job. You would have to get a solvent-based paint or nail polish. So I've used the nail polish in this case, and obviously a pen or a texter to draw the outline of the claws, and that's pretty much it. So what I will do, I'll take the existing claws out of the hands. I'll pull the hand out, so you can see. I'll remove the claws. I'll bring it closer so you can see as well how this comes out. Basically, you grab one claw and pull it. That's how it comes out. Carefully put it here. Take all the claws out. Such. Second one. Claws. Pull them out. The last one. Right. So I will speed up the video here to show you how I make the cutouts for the 6 new claws. Now we have the 6 cutouts for the 6 new claws. It's time to apply the paint. And once the paint is dried, I will replace the old claws with the new shiny silver claws I've just made. And there you go. My Wolverine action figure has got new adamantium claws. And this action figure is really loving it. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.